Guys, one of my all-time favorite bikes. This is Caleb from srkcycles.com, and you are looking at a BMW R9T. I freaking love these bikes. Had a couple of them. Every time I get them, for some reason we get them in the wintertime, I can't ever ride them. Great tread left on the rear tire. It's got this goofy little, it's not even a tear, it's just like a little, it's like someone filled it in the seat. I don't even know what to call it. It's like the seat got a little bit melted. This bike looks awesome. I freaking love riding these bikes. Anybody that's ridden this bike knows why I love riding it. Anybody who's seen these in person or loves riding them, got some scratches on the front fender, knows why I freaking love these bikes. The Gold Force looks so good. BMW completely knocked these out of the park. I'm just such a fan of this bike. Here's the big blemish, guys. It does have the scuffs on the engine here. Scuff right there. Let's see, does it have it on the other side as well? Yeah, he scraped it on both sides. But I mean, this beast has like 4,000 miles on it, I'm pretty sure. 4,666 or 68. Shake when you rev them. These bikes are just so much fun to run, guys. 2014 BMW R9T. Let me know if this is something you're interested in, guys. These bikes do not last long at all. Thanks a ton for watching.